And away from the National Assembly, Governor of Bauchi State, Bala Mohammed, earlier today led some PDP chieftains to the Federal High Court in Abuja ahead of a crucial judgment on the party's planned national convention. Three members of the party, Austin Nwachukwu, the chairman of PDP Imo State, Amar Inana, chairman of PDP Abia State, and Tony Judge, PDP Secretary South, had instituted a suit seeking to stop the planned convention where the new national officers are expected to be elected on the grounds of breach of the party's constitution. This is a developing story and we'll bring you more updates as soon as we have them. But right before that, let's bring in our senior reporter, Celestina Area, for more insights on this case today. Celestina, thank you for joining us at this time. This is meant to be a critical decision for the People's Democratic Party, of course, for them to elect their new leaders at this planned convention. What's the court saying today?
Well, we are waiting for the court to deliver its final verdicts, but there have been some arguments that the court has no place when it comes to party matters. The court has no jurisdiction to interfere in the internal affairs of a political party. But in this case, the plaintiffs are alleging that there was a breach of the Constitution, the party's convention, and also the Electoral Act, in the sense that they allege that for the congresses were not conducted in 14 states before the National Executive Committee and the National Working Committee announced the National Convention due for 16th and 17th of November. So they are saying that they cannot have a national convention when there were no congresses held in 14 states. And they had issue of legal representation of the political party. The PDP had a lawyer, and also the legal advisor of the political party also came in to say that he is the legal representation of the party. So after those arguments were taken, the court said that they will deliver judgment today, and also to determine if the party can go ahead and conduct convention. But now the issue boils down to, does the court have the restriction to interfere in this matter? So today we will hear Justice Omotoso's submission, because if indeed that there was a breach of the party's constitution and also the Electoral Act and the Constitution, then the court has jurisdiction. But where there is no breach, the court has no place in the international affairs of the political party. So we'll wait today to hear Justice Omotoso's submission to see if he can interfere and what his verdict will be, because that has a long way to determine the convention billed for 16th and 17th of November.
And irrespective of whatever outcome, what would this really mean for the People's Democratic Party aside electing their leaders?
Well, the last time this issue came up, we had the governor of Oyo State, Shemakinde, in court. Then we asked him about the issues surrounding the party and the crisis going on, the defection here and there. And he said something, irrespective of what the PDP is going through, the PDP as a party is standing tall, and they are optimistic that they would have a landslide victory in the upcoming general election. So far, so good for them. This particular phase is just to put their house in order and move forward, irrespective of the fact that there have been rumors of division internally and some people playing and having kind of anti-party activities. But they believe that this will not deter them from securing votes come the next general election. But for them, this particular phase is to put their house in order, get the national convention done, and be able to move the party forward and move the party ahead.
I'm sure in a few minutes we will be able to decide, listen to what the court decides. We'll wait for that. Thank you for talking to us at this time. That's senior reporter Celestina Area live for us.